What's the meaning of capris? Capris. Capris.
Capris. Capris. Capris are a type of women's clothing that are typically cropped and tapered around the ankle. They are similar to shorter pants or longer shorts, falling somewhere between the knee and ankle. The name capris refers to the Italian island of Capri, where the style was popularized in the 1950s by fashionable women. Capris can be worn for both casual and formal occasions, and they are often made out of lightweight fabrics, such as cotton or linen. They are a popular choice for warmer weather and offer a comfortable yet stylish alternative to full-length pants.